exactly 1 year, the Winter Olympic Games will be held in Beijing. We are here today to protest the International Olympic Committee for awarding China again with these prestigious games. The IOC ensured that the human rights situation in Tibet will improve, but the opposite happened. The human rights situation got even worse. Tibetans in Tibet have no rights, no freedom. The IOC is responsible for the human rights violations in Tibet. Take responsibility. Open your eyes, IOC. Open your eyes. Say no to Beijing 2022. No to Beijing 2022.
Shame on
China.
Shame on
China.
No Beijing
2022.
No more